Top 10 Mysteries of the Deep. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5% of its depths. Beneath the waves lies a world so vast and mysterious, it rivals outer space in its secrets. From ghostly shipwrecks to unexplained creatures in ancient ruins, the deep sea holds stories that science still struggles to explain. So grab your diving gear, mentally at least, as we plunge into the top 10 mysteries of the deep that continue to baffle experts and ignite the imagination. But before dive into the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. 10. The Bloop, nature's deep sea roar. Now we're diving into one of the loudest and most perplexing sounds ever recorded in the ocean. In 1997, NOAA microphones captured a sound so powerful it was detected over 3,000 miles away. Dubbed the Bloop, it resembled the vocal patterns of a living creature, but its scale would dwarf even the blue whale, the largest known animal on Earth. Some suggest icequakes caused it, while others believe a massive unknown sea creature could be responsible. Despite scientific efforts, no definitive source has been confirmed. This enduring mystery of the deep highlights just how little we know about the vast, dark world beneath the waves, and what massive secrets may still lurk in its uncharted depths. 9. The Baltic Sea Anomaly. Alien tech or natural oddity? Next on our journey into the unknown, we explore a strange underwater formation discovered in 2011 by a group of Swedish treasure hunters. Located at the bottom of the Baltic Sea, the so-called Baltic Sea Anomaly is a 200-foot wide object shaped like a disc, with straight lines and right angles that look eerily artificial. Some theories suggest it's a UFO crash site or a long-lost ancient structure. Skeptics argue it's just a natural rock formation distorted by sonar imaging. But the truth remains unclear, especially given the limited direct exploration. Whether it's nature's trick or something far stranger, this anomaly continues to spark curiosity and debate among researchers and conspiracy theorists alike. 8. Mariana Trench Secrets, the deepest unknown. At number 8, we descend into the deepest part of the ocean, the Mariana Trench. This abyss plunges nearly 7 miles below sea level and remains largely unexplored. Scientists have found bizarre creatures adapted to crushing pressure and pitch-black darkness. But much of the trench is still a mystery. Strange metallic noises, like the so-called Western Pacific Biofwang, have been recorded but never explained. Even man-made pollution like plastic bags and tin cans has been found here, proving that human impact reaches even the ocean's most remote corners. The Mariana Trench is a frontier of mystery, and with so little of it mapped, who knows what ancient organisms or hidden secrets may still lie undiscovered in its alien world. 7. Missing submarines, ghosts beneath the waves. Now we explore a more tragic mystery: submarines that vanished without a trace. Vessels like the U.S. Scorpion and France's Minerva disappeared with entire crews aboard, leaving only theories in their wake. While some were found decades later, damaged and sunken, the exact causes remain elusive. Were they victims of mechanical failure, hostile action, or something else entirely? The deep ocean is a graveyard with many secrets. These lost submarines are symbols of how easily massive technology can vanish in the vastness below. With thousands of square miles yet to be explored, the truth about some of these disappearances may never be known, reinforcing the ocean's reputation as the final frontier of human discovery. 6. Yonaguni Monument, Atlantis of the East. Coming in at number 6 is a mystery lying off the coast of Japan, the Yonaguni Monument. Discovered in 1986, this underwater structure resembles a massive, stepped pyramid with terraces, ramps, and stone columns. Some researchers argue it's the remnant of an ancient civilization lost to rising seas, possibly Japan's version of Atlantis. Others believe it's a naturally occurring rock formation shaped by ocean currents and tectonic forces. Divers report carvings in what appear to be steps, which adds fuel to the theory of human construction. With no definitive proof either way, Yonaguni remains a beautiful enigma, resting quietly beneath the waves, challenging our understanding of history and the power of nature to shape or mimic civilization. 5. The Bermuda Triangle, Disappearances and Legends. Now let's navigate into one of the most infamous oceanic mysteries, the Bermuda Triangle. Stretching from Florida to Bermuda and Puerto Rico, this area has long been associated with unexplained disappearances of ships and planes. Some blame magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, or methane gas eruptions. Others suggest alien abductions or portals to other dimensions. Though many incidents have rational explanations, a significant number still defy logic. The U.S. Navy doesn't recognize the triangle as an official danger zone, yet it continues to capture public imagination. Whether it's science or myth, the Bermuda Triangle holds a permanent place in maritime lore, drawing both skeptics and believers into its magnetic pull of mystery. 4. Underwater crop circles, nature's precision art. Next, we're going to talk about an elegant mystery uncovered off the coast of Japan. Intricate geometric patterns in the sand known as underwater crop circles. First discovered in 1995, these perfect circles, measuring up to 7 feet in diameter, baffled divers and scientists. Eventually, they were traced back to male pufferfish, who create these masterpieces to attract mates. Using their fins, the fish sculpt the seafloor into symmetrical ridges and valleys, often adding shells and decorations. While the mystery may be solved, the sheer beauty and precision of these underwater artworks remind us that nature can be just as mysterious and marvelous as any myth or legend. 3. Bioluminescent glows, the sea's living lights. At number 3, we're enchanted by one of the ocean's most magical phenomena, bioluminescence. Some parts of the sea glow with a ghostly blue light, especially in places like Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico or the Maldives. The light comes from microorganisms like dinoflagellates, which emit light when disturbed. But not all glowing waters are fully understood. Why some regions flare with intense brilliance while others remain dark remains a scientific puzzle. Some deep-sea creatures also flash lights to hunt, mate, or confuse predators. This radiant mystery blurs the line between biology and sorcery, proving that the deep ocean doesn't just hide danger, it hides dazzling displays of natural wonder. 2. Giant squid sightings, from myth to reality. Now we turn to a creature once thought mythical, the giant squid. For centuries, sailors spoke of massive tentacled beasts attacking ships. These tales were dismissed as exaggeration until the early 2000s, when scientists finally filmed a live giant squid in its natural habitat. Reaching lengths of over 40 feet, these elusive creatures roam the deep sea, rarely surfacing. Their eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, adapted to the pitch-black abyss. Despite being real, the giant squid is still a mystery. Its behaviors, life cycle, and exact population remain largely unknown. This modern sea monster proves that sometimes legends are based on truth still stranger than fiction. 1. The Kraken legend, myth or monster. And finally, at number 1, we dive into the terrifying legend of the Kraken. Described in Norse sagas and sailor stories for centuries, the Kraken was said to be a giant sea creature capable of dragging entire ships beneath the waves. Though often dismissed as pure myth, the discovery of giant squids lends credibility to these ancient tales. With tentacles powerful enough to battle whales and mysterious sightings still reported today, the Kraken remains a potent symbol of oceanic fear. Whether it's real or a projection of humanity's fear of the unknown, the Kraken reminds us that the deep sea is as much a place of imagination as it is of discovery. As we resurface from our journey into the deep, one thing is clear: the ocean is as haunting as it is beautiful. Each mystery reminds us how little we truly know about our own planet. Whether it's strange sounds echoing from the abyss or relics of lost civilizations, the sea keeps its secrets close. But that's part of the thrill. It invites us to keep exploring, questioning, and dreaming. Who knows what else lies hidden in the dark blue silence? One thing's for sure, the next great discovery might still be sleeping in the deep. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.